Hey, what's up guys? I'm gonna show you guys how I lock my scooter. I tend not to lock it, I just try to take it with me most of the time. But in the event that I do need to lock it, I'm gonna show you guys what I do. I basically use the U-Lock by Kryptonite, and I also use this cable. And I also lock it on the app on the phone. So I'm gonna zoom in and show you guys how I actually lock it. Obviously open up the lock. I feel like doing this is already good enough. So this bar is actually thicker, just to show you guys that it works with the thicker ones. Obviously it works just as well with the thinner ones, if not better. But basically just pop this in, and there it is. This is pretty much done. This is all I really need to do, because they pretty much can't slide this through this, and even if they do, they would, if by magic this bar was really thin and they had to like slide this out with the scooter, it would be very difficult to do, and they would need to remove the rear tire, but that even wouldn't work because the fender wouldn't let. And basically I think this is the safest spot, and the way they could steal this is if they cut this, basically bring one of those angle grinders or something and just cut this. I think that would be the easiest way to steal this. But as far as safety, I think this is the easiest and fastest way. If you want to make it a tad more secure than this, again, it's not adding it by much, you can use the flex cable. So what I do is I actually pass it through the rear wheel, and then I grab these two and then I push it here and just lock it, and there we go. So, and just lock it in the app, obviously. Not that it's gonna do anything, but alright, so you could see that the cable, I ran it through this, so it's inside this part. So it adds a little more to the security, not really all that much, because this is really doing the main job itself. But again, if someone had an angle grinder, they could just come and cut this, and you know. So I usually try not to lock my scooter. I usually just try to take it with me, but in the event that I do, this is the method that I use. I'll put links in the description below. They have a newer version of this lock. I've had this thing for a while, but it's been working great. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for new videos every single week. Thank you.